Kharar is a town in Punjab, India. Nestled in the heart of the state, it is a place where tradition meets modernity. The town is known for its vibrant culture, rich history, and warm hospitality. As you wander through its streets, you'll find a blend of old-world charm and contemporary development. From bustling markets to serene parks, Kharar offers a unique experience to its residents and visitors alike. It is part of the Mohali district. This district is one of the most significant in Punjab, known for its rapid development and strategic importance. Mohali, along with Kharar, forms a crucial part of the Chandigarh Tri-City area, which also includes Chandigarh and Panchkula. The district is a hub of economic activities with numerous industries, educational institutions and residential projects. Kharar is close to the city of Chandigarh. Chandigarh, the capital of both Punjab and Haryana, is just a short drive away. This proximity to a major city provides Kharar with numerous advantages, including access to better infrastructure, educational institutions, healthcare facilities, and employment opportunities. Many people who work in Chandigarh choose to live in Kharar due to its relatively peaceful environment and lower cost of living. Many people live and work in Kharar. The town has seen a significant influx of residents over the past few years, thanks to its growing reputation as a desirable place to live. The local economy is thriving, with a mix of traditional businesses and modern enterprises. The streets are always bustling with activity, from early morning until late at night. Whether it's shopping for daily necessities or enjoying a meal at a local eatery, there's always something happening in Kharar. It is a busy town with a friendly atmosphere. The people of Kharar are known for their warmth and hospitality. Visitors often remark on the friendly interactions they have with locals, whether it's a shopkeeper, a street vendor, or a passerby. The town's community spirit is evident in the numerous festivals and events that take place throughout the year, bringing people together to celebrate and enjoy life. Kharar is becoming a popular place to live. With new housing developments springing up, the town is expanding rapidly. Modern residential complexes offer a range of amenities, attracting young professionals, families, and retirees alike. The real estate market in Kharar is booming, with property values steadily increasing. This growth is a testament to the town's appeal and the quality of life it offers. People are drawn to its charm. Kharar's scenic beauty combined with its vibrant community life makes it an attractive destination. The town's festivals are a highlight, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of the region. From traditional dance performances to local crafts and cuisine, there's always something to look forward to. The sunsets over Kharar are particularly breathtaking, casting a golden glow over the town and its surroundings. It offers a mix of city and countryside living. Kharar's unique blend of urban and rural elements is one of its most appealing features. Residents can enjoy the convenience of city life while still being close to nature. The town's outskirts are dotted with fields and farms, providing a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. This balance between modernity and tradition is what sets Kharar apart from other towns in the region. Kharar is a place where you can find peace and excitement. Whether you're looking for a quiet spot to relax or a lively area to explore, Kharar has something to offer. The town's parks and green spaces provide a tranquil escape, while its markets and streets are full of energy and activity. It's this combination of serenity and vibrancy that makes Kharar a truly special place to live and visit. Punjab is known as the granary of India. This means it is an important area for growing food. Kharar has the same fertile land. The landscape is mostly flat. This makes it perfect for farming. The land is nourished by rivers and canals. Farmers grow a variety of crops. Wheat and rice are common sights. You can also find fields of vegetables and fruits. Despite its urban growth, Kharar retains a unique blend of modernity and nature. The town has seen rapid development over the years, with new buildings and infrastructure springing up. Yet, amidst this urban expansion, Kharar has managed to preserve its natural charm. The integration of green spaces within the cityscape is a testament to the town's commitment to maintaining a balance between progress and nature. Kharar retains its natural beauty. The town is adorned with lush green landscapes that provide a refreshing contrast to the urban environment. These green spaces are not just for show. They serve as vital areas for recreation and relaxation for the residents. Parks and gardens are scattered throughout the town, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Small rivers and canals flow through the town. These waterways are more than just picturesque features. They play a crucial role in the town's ecosystem. The gentle flow of water through these channels brings life to the surrounding areas, supporting both plant and animal life. The sight of a small river winding its way through the town is a reminder of the natural beauty that Kharar holds dear. These waterways provide a lifeline for the surrounding ecosystem. They support a diverse range of flora and fauna, creating a vibrant and thriving environment. The presence of water attracts various species of birds, insects, and other wildlife, making these areas rich in biodiversity. The health of these waterways is crucial for maintaining the ecological balance of the region. You can find serene ponds dotting the landscape. These ponds are tranquil spots where one can sit and enjoy the beauty of nature. Surrounded by trees and greenery, they offer a peaceful retreat from the busy town life. The still waters of the ponds reflect the sky and the surrounding foliage, creating a picturesque scene that is both calming and inspiring. These ponds attract a variety of birds. Birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts can often be found here, observing the different species that come to drink and bathe in the water. The presence of birds adds to the charm of these ponds, making them lively and dynamic places. The chirping of birds and the gentle rustle of leaves create a symphony of natural sounds that is soothing to the soul. They offer a peaceful retreat from the bustling town. Whether you are looking for a place to read a book, meditate, or simply unwind, these ponds provide the perfect setting. The tranquility of the water and the surrounding nature make it an ideal spot for relaxation and reflection. It's a place where one can connect with nature and find inner peace. Kharar is also close to the foothills of the Shivalik Range. These hills are a natural wonder, offering stunning views and a variety of outdoor activities. Hiking, trekking, and nature walks are popular among both locals and tourists. The hills provide a perfect backdrop to the town, adding to its scenic beauty and offering a sense of adventure and exploration. These hills offer breathtaking views. From the hilltops, one can see the entire town of Kharar with its blend of urban and natural landscapes. The panoramic views are a sight to behold, especially during sunrise and sunset. The changing colors of the sky, the rolling hills, and the distant horizon create a mesmerizing scene that captures the essence of Kharar's natural beauty. Kharar is home to a variety of plants and animals. This region, located in the northern part of India, boasts a rich and diverse ecosystem that supports a wide range of flora and fauna. The natural reserves and protected areas in Kharar are teeming with life, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers. The lush green landscapes are a testament to the fertile soil and favorable climate of the region. The agricultural fields are a vibrant green stretching as far as the eye can see. These fields are meticulously maintained by local farmers who take great pride in their work. The crops grown here include wheat, rice, and various vegetables, all contributing to the region's agricultural prosperity. The sight of these fields under the clear blue sky is truly breathtaking, especially during the harvest season when the crops are at their peak. They are dotted with colorful flowers, adding a splash of color to the green expanse. Wildflowers bloom in abundance, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. These flowers not only enhance the beauty of the landscape, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. The vibrant hues of the flowers create a picturesque scene that is a delight for both the eyes and the soul. Mango trees are a common sight in Kharar, with their lush green leaves providing shade and their sweet fragrance filling the air. These trees are an integral part of the local ecosystem, offering habitat and food for various species of birds and insects. The mango orchards are a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike, especially during the fruiting season. Their branches laden with fruit in the summer, the mango trees become a hub of activity. The sight of ripe mangoes hanging from the branches is a treat for the eyes, and the taste of these juicy fruits is simply unparalleled. The local markets are filled with fresh mangoes during this season, and the aroma of mangoes fills the air, creating a festive atmosphere. Many bird species call Kharar home, making it a paradise for bird watchers. The diverse habitats in the region support a wide variety of birds, from common species to rare and migratory ones. The melodious songs of these birds can be heard throughout the day, adding a musical backdrop to the natural beauty of Kharar. Bird-watching tours are a popular activity here, attracting enthusiasts from all over the world. You can see sparrows chirping in the trees, their cheerful songs filling the air. These small birds are a common sight in Kharar, often seen flitting about in gardens and parks. Their presence is a reminder of the rich biodiversity of the region and the importance of preserving natural habitats. The sight of sparrows building nests and caring for their young is a heartwarming experience for any nature lover. Kingfishers dive for fish in the ponds, showcasing their incredible hunting skills. These brightly colored birds are a sight to behold, with their striking plumage and swift movements. Watching a kingfisher catch a fish is a thrilling experience, highlighting the intricate balance of nature. The ponds and water bodies in Kharar provide an ideal habitat for these birds, supporting a healthy population of kingfishers. Small animals like squirrels and rabbits are also common in Kharar. These creatures add to the charm of the region, often seen scurrying about in parks and meadows. Squirrels can be spotted climbing trees and gathering nuts, while rabbits are usually found grazing in the fields. Their playful antics and gentle nature make them a favorite among children and adults alike. The presence of these animals is a testament to the healthy and thriving ecosystem of Kharar. Kharar is growing rapidly. New buildings are being constructed, but the town is committed to preserving its green spaces. Parks and gardens offer a refuge for people and wildlife. Trees line the streets. They provide shade and clean the air. The town planners understand the importance of nature. They are working to create a balance between urban development and the environment. Kharar is close to many natural attractions. Sukna Lake in Chandigarh is a popular destination. People go there to boat and relax. Pinjore Gardens is known for its Mughal architecture and beautiful gardens. For those seeking adventure, the Morni Hills offer hiking trails. These hills are home to a variety of wildlife. A short drive from Kharar can take you to these natural wonders. Kharar offers a unique blend of urban and rural life. Residents enjoy the conveniences of a modern town, but they are also close to nature. The town teaches us the importance of living in harmony with our surroundings. Kharar shows us that progress and preservation can go hand in hand. It is a reminder that we must cherish and protect our natural heritage. Kharar is a town with a big heart. It welcomes visitors with open arms. Whether you come for the bustling markets or the peaceful countryside, Kharar will leave a lasting impression. It is a place where you can reconnect with nature. Kharar is a reminder that even in the midst of our busy lives, the beauty of the natural world is never far away.